Are you excited to dive into machine learning but overwhelmed by all the information out there? Don't worry. In this video, we'll walk through the key steps you need to get started with machine learning in Python. First things first, you'll need Python installed on your machine. You can download Python 3.5 or higher from the official Python website, but I recommend installing the Anaconda distribution. Why? Anaconda comes with Python, Jupyter notebooks, and essential libraries like NumPy, Pandas, and Scikit-learn, all in one package. This setup saves you the hassle of installing each library manually. With everything installed, you're ready to start coding in Jupyter notebooks, an interactive environment perfect for writing machine learning code. One of the first things you'll learn is supervised learning, specifically classification. This is where your model learns to categorize data into predefined labels. Think of email spam filters. Popular classification algorithms include logistic regression, decision trees, neural networks, and support vector machines. Each method works differently, so the right one depends on the problem you're solving and your data. In the beginning, try experimenting with a few different models to see which works best for your dataset. Another core concept is regression. While classification predicts categories, regression predicts continuous values like house prices or stock values. Regression models use numeric data to predict outcomes, which is key in tasks like forecasting or financial modeling. Moving on to unsupervised learning clustering. Unlike classification, clustering works without predefined labels. It groups similar data points together based on their features. One popular method is k-means clustering, which is widely used for data segmentation. But don't stop there, explore other clustering techniques for more complex problems. Finally, ensembling is an advanced technique where you combine multiple models to boost accuracy. Methods like random forests and gradient boosting are commonly used to improve your machine learning model's performance by blending the strengths of different algorithms. And that's your quick overview of the machine learning journey in Python. From installing Anaconda to mastering classification, regression, clustering, and ensembling, you're now ready to get started. Follow these steps, experiment with your code, and soon, you will be building models that solve real-world problems. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more machine learning tutorials.